watching. It's your girl Noah, your return subscriber. Hey girl, hey, and if you're new, welcome to the video game. So yo, long overdue, okay? It's been a long time since I posted a hair review video or a hair installation video. It's been long. This is the company, it's by YEEAAK Hair. I've seen it on Amazon, and then I went to TikTok and I seen that people have been rocking it and whatnot. So yeah, they did give your girl some goodies. See what they have. So they gave me an edge brush. Gave your girl some lashes, and don't have my nails, y'all. I gotta get my nails fixed. They gave a band, a melting band, and a wiggy cap. Let's get into the wig, okay? So, boom. This is what the wig looks like, y'all. So freaking pretty. 26 inches. It's giving more like 30. Alright, y'all, so I'm trying to do two things at once today. I went ahead and did my ball cap, but I haven't got a chance to blow dry it yet because I was checking on my knots and it's been about 15 minutes. And I just feel like I want to go ahead and rinse it out. As far as conditioner I'm going to use, I'm using Shimmering Lights. I only have the small ones because I don't do this often. Now, the wig company starts sponsoring your girl again. I'm definitely going to get the big bottle because manifesting. So yes, I'm going to be using Shimmering Lights. If there's any brassiness, I don't think that I over bleached this. I think it should be just right. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse this out, okay? Lay the lace down, and I just want extra security, so I just put some got2b spray on just so I can make sure this wig don't come off. All right, y'all, before my phone storage goes out on me again, I'm gonna go ahead and do my sideburns. I went ahead and curled it already. And I'm gonna use the brush that they provided me. And it's always good if you curl it because it'll give you more, it'll help you out more. If you get what I mean. I don't know how to explain it. It just gives you that nice little boom that I'm about to give y'all. Yeah. Alright, so I got my sideburn and I think I should be okay with just my sideburn. Just to make sure y'all gonna see me put a lot, because I just don't want this to go nowhere. Like, so far, it's good. But I just want that, I just want to just I don't want to have no slippage. I think that's like probably the most embarrassing thing. Imagine being out in public and somebody be like, no, not I. And then what I do on the top is just spray it for the flyaways. And then all you have to do is just go in with a little small brush, or if you have a big one, and then just simply get those flyaways. Or if you just want to use your hand, you can do that too, no matter. Y'all, this wig is boom. Y'all see it better? Don't play with me. Y'all see it better? Like I said, you can see a little, but it's not to the point where it's like, you have to kind of like, where is it at? Exactly. So like, it's not the best, but it's definitely not the worst. And like I said, I can go in with my foundation and just hit those spots that might have a little bit of extra color to them, like that white cast. Oh dang, I had to knit myself. Dang, that thing's is sharp. So all you gotta do is simply just get your makeup and just touch up those places that you see. Yes, y'all, again, this is, what the company called again? YEEAAK Hair. This is their 13x6 I'm tired. Piano color lace front wig in 26 inches. I'm really feeling myself now, like, oh, your girl really did herself a big one. Bam. So yes, y'all, that's the end of this video. If you really like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a company that would love to work with me, because I did my thing with this wig, all of my contact information will be in the description down below as well. And if y'all want to see more videos like this, make sure that you comment down below. And if you haven't already, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Like, why not? If you didn't watch it to this point, go ahead and subscribe. Like, I don't know what you're doing, girl, but you're missing out. Join the Nova gang or no gang. So yeah, y'all, that's all I have for this video. Thank you again for watching it, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Peace.